Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very simple drink. Only take just a few minutes. Okay, I'm going to make callaloo orange drink. First, you're going to put the callaloo into the blender. Then you're going to pour orange juice. Allow it to blend like maybe about a minute or two. Okay, we already have one that we have prepared. So this is the juice. It's very tasty. It has a lot of potassium, calcium, and vitamin C. Very, very nutritious. Okay, let me try. Very, very good. So try it, and you can make it for the family as well. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. It's very new, but you can try it. Alright, so live, love, laugh, and enjoy your drink.